Good day, everyone. In this video, we are going to examine the sine ratio. If we look on the screen here, we see that we have a right angle triangle with a measurement given, a measurement or a side that's unknown, and a reference angle. So if we look at the reference angle and we look at the side that's across from the reference angle, that would be the opposite side. If we look at the side that's across from the right angle, that's the hypotenuse. So this triangle has an opposite side and a hypotenuse. If we go to another triangle, we'll also see that we have a reference angle. It's unknown. But across from that reference angle is the opposite side. And across from the right angle, we have the hypotenuse. So we have two triangles where we're looking at the opposite side and the hypotenuse. And if we give consideration to that, we will refer to that opposite side and hypotenuse ratio as the sine ratio. So sine of the angle is equal to the opposite side over the hypotenuse, which we will shorten up to OPP for opposite over HYP for hypotenuse. So using that particular ratio, if we go back, we can look at this particular triangle and say that the sine ratio, the sine of the angle, is equal to the opposite side divided by the hypotenuse. Or in this particular triangle, sine of the angle we don't know, which we'll label as theta, is equal to the opposite side, which is 5, over the hypotenuse, which is 8. Going back to our very first triangle, if we look at the sine ratio, sine of the angle is equal to the opposite side divided by the hypotenuse. Or sine of the reference angle, which is given to be 56 degrees, is equal to the opposite side, which is 2, divided by the hypotenuse, which is x. And that is a brief introduction to the sine ratio.